Hello, my name is Alan Wang. I am I have been diagnosed with bipolar disorder. I am at La Casa, but right now I am on a home pass. Next week I'll be going to Pico Rivera, a step-down facility. I have been locked up for a year under observation and supervision and given medication. I have been going to classes and groups to better myself and to be a contributing figure in the community. I'm stuttering and slurred in speech because of the medication I'm taking. Please bear with me. Just a little bit of myself. I am 42 years old. I just had my birthday last month, and I'm going to be studying in massage therapy, massage therapy as my new profession. And I have many hopes and dreams. I hope I will be able to make enough money so that I can open up a step down facility like the one I'm going to, but I'm mainly focused on nutrition, diet, exercise, and wellness of mind, body, and spirit. Signing off. I'll be back shortly.